last night, set everything up, put one coat of primer on just to have a bit of a look, try and see if we could see where any of the imperfections in the bonnet were, if there was any, which there is. But yeah, come back down today, started rubbing it down, and yeah, started getting rid of some of the old cracked filler. I've also got some filler with me that I brought, some body filler, so I can hopefully re-smooth in the vents and maybe get rid of some of the divots on the bonnet bulge. Quickly walk you through some of the imperfections I found. There was actually a chip out of the paint here which I managed to sort out. There was a load of scratches here. You can still see there's a couple which I think are going to need a little bit of filler. Hopefully maybe the high build primer will help. Still got lots of dust here everywhere. Yeah, the filler was cracking all the way around here, so I've managed to crack off any of the bits that were pretty bad. You can see there's some missing around there. I say there's also on the bulge itself, there was a crack here which I managed to smooth in. There's also, you can see here where it's a couple of raised bits which I seem to have managed to flat back, hopefully. Then also on this side, this is where the worst cracking was. You can see it's actually taking it right back to the actual original bonnet there. So hopefully it seems to be all sort of solid. There was another crack here, but it does seem to all be solid what's left now around here and everything. So I'm hoping a very light skim of filler, another sandback, high build primer on the whole thing, and that is the plan for today.